Thinking about buying a house, it's a dream for many, but how do you actually save up enough for that down payment? In this video, we're breaking it down step by step. Step 1. Define your goal. You can't hit a target if you don't know where it is. So let's start with your target number. First, calculate the down payment. This is usually between 5% and 20% of the home's purchase price. For example, if your dream home costs $200,000, your down payment could range from $10,000 to $40,000. Don't forget about closing costs. That's typically 2% to 5% of the home's price. So, for that same $200,000 home, expect to pay anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000 just to close the deal. Now that you know your target number, let's move to step 2. Time for a budget audit. Track every dollar you spend for 1 full month. Yes, every single penny. You might be surprised by where your money is going. Are you spending too much on takeout? Subscriptions you forgot about? It's time to uncover those hidden expenses and make adjustments. Step 3. Now that you know where your money is going, let's focus on cutting costs, starting with the big 3. Housing. Could you temporarily downsize? Maybe get a roommate. Reducing rent can free up hundreds of dollars each month. Transportation. Could you carpool, use public transport, or trade in your car for something cheaper? Food. Cut down on dining out and plan your meals. A few $100s a month saved here can make a big difference. Step 4. Pay off your high-interest debt. If you're drowning in credit card debt, prioritize paying it off. That interest is eating into your savings potential. Free up that cash flow and redirect it straight into your savings fund. Step 5. Time to boost your income. You can either make more money or cut costs. Let's talk about earning extra cash. Start a side hustle, freelance work, driving for a rideshare, or selling unused items around the house can all help build your house fund. Every little bit helps. Step 6. Negotiate a raise or promotion at your current job. The more you earn, the faster you can reach your target number. And don't forget to declutter. Sell unused electronics, clothes, or furniture to quickly raise extra cash. Now, where do you keep your hard-earned savings? You've worked so hard to get this far. Let's protect your money and make it work for you. First, separate your funds. Open a dedicated savings account just for your house fund. This reduces the temptation to dip into it for other purchases. Second, consider using a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, meaning your money grows faster. However, be careful. You don't want to risk this money in the volatile stock market. Safety and liquidity are key. Lastly, look into first-time homebuyer programs. Many states and even federal programs offer assistance, down payment grants, or tax credits. Don't leave money on the table. So, there you have it. A simple, actionable plan to save for your dream home. Start by defining your target number, then audit your spending, cut costs, boost your income, and stash that money safely away. Follow these steps and soon enough you'll have the keys to your new home. Good luck.
Want more tips on real estate? Hit that subscribe button and join us for more.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.